Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing what's required. Open Roblox Studio and install the motion capture plugin, then connect your phone or webcam to your PC. Make sure you allow camera and microphone access so data flows. Once connected, choose the appropriate capture device inside the plugin and set a stable frame rate like 30 FPS for predictable results. You're doing this now so the capture stream is live and the character rig is ready to receive motion data. Next, you'll configure the avatar rig and calibrate the tracking. Select a humanoid rig that matches standard Roblox bone names. If it doesn't match, remap joints manually. Then perform a T-pose or A-pose calibration so the system learns limb proportions, and adjust offsets and scale so motion aligns without distortion. Preview the live skeleton stream to confirm hips, shoulders, and head track correctly. Make iterative tweaks until movement looks natural in the studio viewport. When you're ready, record performance takes. Keep clips short and label versions for easy comparison. Once recorded, apply smoothing and retarget the captured animation onto your final character in the animation editor, then trim and loop where needed. If something goes wrong, like jitter or misaligned limbs, stop and recalibrate the pose, reduce frame rate or latency, or restart the plugin and device connection. One quick recalibration often fixes offset errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.